Alright, so I did problem 1 from problem set 7, and basically told us that Steve cut a wire into 2 pieces. I labeled them Y and X. And one of them was a square, and here one of them was a circle. So a circle, they would all be X divided by 4. So right here, 60-inch wire cut in 2. So the area of the square would be one of these sides squared, which is just X squared divided by 16. And here's the general area of a circle, right? And then what I did was I took the circumference equation, and then I rewrote it all so that radius is equal to this. And then you just plug everything back into this equation because we know what radius is right here. And then you end up with this, and you just further simplify until you get this right here, right? And then you basically just right here, this is y plus x, both parts of the wire is equal to 60, so I solved for y in order to plug it in right here, or this equation right here. So I get y is equal to 60 minus x, plug that in right here, multiply everything out, cancel the pi right there, and you end up with this as your final answer for the area of the circle. And then it asks us to find the lengths of both and minimal area and biggest area. So what I did from there was I took the derivative of the equations. You add both equations to find the total area. So I took the derivative of this equation right here, which is just equal to 2x over 16 plus 2 times 60 minus x negative 1 for pi. Those cancel out, simplify everything, you end up with this. And what you want to do is you want to solve for your zeros. So you just cross multiply right here, do this, just pull out an x right here, and then just divide this over, and you get x is equal to this. And x is equal to 33.606, and x is the length of our square wire. And then you just do 60 minus x to give you the length of the circle. And basically, to find the smallest area, you just plug in x into this equation right here. So you get that, and this is your smallest area right here. And for the biggest area, you know that it'll be either at 60 or 0, so you just plug in 60 and 0. So right here, 0 squared plus 60 minus 0 squared. Over that, you get this. And then in this one, you plug in, so right here we plugged in 0. Right here we'll plug in 60. You get this, 225. This one's bigger, so this is the biggest area possible. And that's about it. Thank you.